What's up, Geometry Lab? For your assignment today, what we're actually doing is pre-teaching some new vocabulary that you're going to be learning from Miss Carmen shortly. So your assignment for today for Geometry Lab is going to be to go ahead and copy down the picture you see right here. There's going to be a second video as well. So copy down the pictures in both videos, as well as the vocab words that you see written on this slide, and then just send a picture of your notes to me or Miss Noby so you guys can get your points for the day. Um, the first video right here is going over a bunch of different vocabulary related to circles. So some of these you will know already and some will be brand new to you all. The first vocab word is a circle itself. And a circle, you guys know what one looks like. You would recognize it if you saw it, but maybe you wouldn't know the official mathematical definition. A circle is the set of all points that are equidistant from a central point. So if you look in my big picture over here, A is the center of the circle, dead middle right there. And I have all these other dots right here, B, C, D, these aqua colored dots along the edge. All of those aqua colored dots are the same distance away to A. That's what makes something a circle. It's all the points that are the same distance from your center. The symbol we use for a circle, if we wanted to refer to one, it looks like a little mini circle. So you're going to do like a little circle symbol like that, and you put the letter from the center. So if I wanted to talk about this guy, I would be like circle A, like that. Next vocab word is also one that should be pretty familiar to you guys, which is a radius. A radius is a segment that joins the center of your circle, so A, to a point on the edge. And you already know that every radius is the same length in a circle. I have my definitions color-coded here, same color in the picture as well. So the radius is going to be this blue segment right here, center to edge. That is segment AB. And excuse my terrible handwriting here as I write these out. Segment symbol right there. That's my radius in the picture. Third vocab word is also a review. It is a diameter, and you guys know if you double your radius, you get your diameter. A diameter has to go through the center of your circle. So it passes through A, and it connects two edges of the circle. So this segment right here in red is a diameter. I could call it segment IE or EI if I wanted to. Those three are just review. The last three words in this video, though, are new to you guys in this lesson today. The first one is called a chord. Chord is the vocab word, and that's how it's spelled right there. A chord is going to be a segment that connects 2 points on the edge of a circle. So if you look in the picture, this green guy right here, CD, connects 2 points on a circle. So that is an example of a chord. A diameter actually also counts as a chord because it still connects 2 points on a circle, but a diameter has to go through the middle, has to go through the center A. Chord doesn't have to. So CD would be an example of a chord in my picture. The last two vocab words for this video are both lines. The first one is called a secant line. And a secant line in purple right here is like if you take a chord but make it longer. So picture my CD, that green guy right here, if I kept going and turned it into a line with arrows on the ends. It's still going to hit 2 points on your circle, but it's also going to pass through and keep on going. So it's a line that intersects the circle in 2 different points. In my picture, I would say my secant is HF or FH. And when I put my symbol on top of that, it is a line, not just a segment. So I got to have little arrows on the end for my symbol. So that is a secant line. Final vocab word for the first video here is called a tangent line. We did use the word tangent when you learned about SOHCAHTOA. This is just a different use of the word tangent. A tangent line only hits a circle in one place, only in one spot. So instead of like crossing right through the middle of the circle, like this purple guy did, this yellow tangent line only hits the circle one time. It kisses it like right on the edge right there at point G. So this line in yellow is a tangent line because it only hits the circle once. I would name that guy line GJ. So GJ, arrow signs on the end. That is going to be my tangent line, and that is the end of our first video.